Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to transfer your crypto from xPortal into MEXC Global app. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, please check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1000 USDT as a beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your xPortal wallet. Here, you will see your main wallet total balance, and underneath will be the send, receive, buy, and earn buttons. To transfer crypto to an external wallet like MEXC Global, you tap on the send button. Here, you select the crypto you want to send. Let me keep eGold. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Then, you tap continue. Here, you paste your external deposit address. Now, go to your MEXC account. Go to the Wallets tab. Click on Deposit. Select the same token. In my case, I want to deposit eGold from my xPortal wallet. Make sure to use the same network. Copy your deposit address. Go back to xPortal wallet. Click Next. Make sure to double check the amount of withdrawal and the deposit address. The network fee under MultiversX is very cheap. Once everything is correct, tap Send. Awesome! My withdrawal requests have been sent. Let's wait for a few minutes for it to arrive on my MEXC account.
A few inches later.
After a few minutes, I refreshed my MEXC account and the deposit was successfully added to my account. The process is swift and fast. That's how you withdraw crypto from xPortal wallet to your MEXC account. If you have questions, feel free to comment below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.